So now listen, we can move to unit 5. So we can see the topic block diagram representation. So same thing we have seen in the third unit, the block diagram representation using Laplace transform. Here it is using the Z transform. Okay. So there also the 4 types, direct form 1, 2, series and parallel. Here also same thing, direct form 1, 2 and series and parallel. So the difference one day is that Laplace transform, the delay is 1 by s. Here is Z transform, so the delay is z power minus 1. Okay. So we can see the first question. Obtain the direct form 1 and direct form 2 for the difference equation. So anga vandu namakku differential equation. Here difference equation. Okay. So y of n 5 by 6 y of n minus 1 plus 1 by 6 y of n minus 2 is equal to x of n 2x n minus 1. So first write the difference, given difference equation, and now apply the Z transform on both sides. So if you apply the Z transform, so what is the Z transform of y of n, y of z? It's a transform of y of n minus 1 is z power minus 1 y of z. It's a transform of y of n minus 2 is z power minus 2 y of z. Okay. So apply the Z transform, and from this side take y of z as common and this side x of z as common. So you will get, so we need to find the transfer function h of z. So what is h of z? Y of z is equal y of z by x of z. Okay, so the value is 1 by z 2 z inverse by 1 minus 5 by 6 z inverse plus 1 by 6 z power minus 2. So இப்போ நம்ம direct form 1 and direct form 2 draw பண்ணணும். So while drawing the block diagram, see first we want to draw the block diagram, direct form 1 block diagram. Okay. So for this our h of z value is 1 plus 2 z inverse divided by 1 minus 5 by 6 z inverse plus 1 by 6 z power minus 2. Okay. So now we can draw the diagram. So direct form 1 draw பண்ணும்போது, this side you want to draw the numerator and this side you want to draw the denominator. Okay. So what is the numerator value? 1 plus 2 z inverse. So 1, 2, so other value is 0. So 1 plus 2 is Z inverse. Okay. So idhunalde lower Z inverse. So next one is, the next value is, so it is related to 1. Okay. So this one is 0 into Z inverse. So ஒரே ஒரு Z inverse தான் இருக்கு. So இதை draw பண்ணாம இருந்தாலும் only you no need to draw this block, or if you draw it, it's also no matter. Draw பண்ணேன்னா the value வந்து 0 ன்னு அர்த்தம். Okay. So if you are not drawing means also it's no problem. So the value is 1 plus 2 is Z inverse. Only you have this block, and if you draw the denominator this side, so what are the denominator value? 1 minus 5 by 6 is Z inverse plus 1 by 6 is Z power minus 2. So இங்க draw பண்ணும்போது, so here for direct form 1 structure we are drawing the value. So 1 this side. Okay, you want to draw one same direction la தான் போடணும். Okay, so if you are putting in the same direction, so the first value is 1 and opposite direction la போடும்போது இங்க minus இருந்துச்சுன்னா இங்க plus 5 by 6. So here opposite direction, கீழ இருக்குறதுல opposite direction arrow போடணும். Okay, so இங்க plus இருக்கனால here minus 1 by 6 is z power minus 2. Here first one 5 by 6 is z power minus 1. Here 1 by 6 is z power minus 2. So 2 delay varana. Okay. And next one is direct form 2 representation. So while drawing direct form 2 representation, this side you want to draw the denominator values. This side you want to draw the numerator values. Okay. So first denominator value is 1. Okay, 1. So same direction, இந்த side போட்டிருக்கீங்கன்னா numerator குள்ள value, this side you want to represent this side. Okay. So next one 5 by 6. So here opposite side la irukku. Okay, so here minus 5 by 6. So you want to here write in plus positive 5 by 6. Okay. And the next value is here plus 1 by 6. So opposite direction la போடும்போது minus 1 by 6. Okay. Now draw the numerator. You don't no need to draw this value. Numerator, while drawing the numerator value, here the value is 1 and 2. Okay, no 1 is Z inverse. So this is the direct form 2 representation. So direct form 2 representation தெரிஞ்சது series and cascade realization, parallel realization, we can draw it. Okay, so first we can see a problem for cascade and parallel realization. Obtain the cascade and parallel realization for the difference equation y of n minus 1 by 4 y of n minus 1 minus 1 by 8 y of n minus 2, which is equal to x of n plus 3 x of n minus 1 plus 2 x n minus 2. So first write the difference equation. Next apply Z transform. Z transform apply பண்ணும்போது, what is Z transform of y of n, y of z? What is Z transform of y of n minus 1? Z inverse y of z. What is Z transform of y of n minus 2? Z power minus 2 y of z. Z transform of x of n is x of z. Z transform of x of n minus 1 is Z inverse x of Z. This is Z power minus 2 x of Z. Okay. So from this term take y of Z as common. From this term take x of Z as common. So if you want to find h of Z, what is h of Z? Y of Z by x of Z. So after finding h of Z, we will get the value as this form. The formula h of Z நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். So நம்ம இப்போ cascade series கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா the value must be in the form h1 of Z into h2 of Z. Okay. So now rewrite this equation. So இதுல இருந்து Z power minus 2 common எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Here also Z power minus 2. So by solving this we will get Z squared plus 3Z plus 2. Here Z squared minus 4Z minus 1 by 8. Okay. So after factorizing it we will get Z plus 1 Z plus 2. Here Z minus 1 by 2, Z plus 1 by 4. So now we need h1 of Z into h2 of Z. So take this term as h1 of Z and this term as h2 of Z. Okay. So h1 of Z எடுத்து எழுதும்போது so நமக்கு Z inverse formula தான் வேணும். Okay. So take the first term common. So if you take first term as common you will get 1 plus 1 by Z. Here if you take here you will get 1 minus 1 by Z. Here 1 by 2, this is 1 by Z. So, this மேல வரும்போது Z power minus 1. So, you will get h1 of Z this form. Okay. So, இதே மாதிரி h2 of Z கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Okay. So, now combine the h1 of Z and h2 of Z. Then combine பண்ணி block போடும்போது we will get the direct. So, how will you draw for h1 of Z? What will be the block diagram for h1 of Z? So, direct form 2 la draw பண்ணணும். So, first here input is x of Z, okay, x of Z, and here denominator value, what is our denominator value? 1, okay, so here 1 delay value, okay, 1 delay value, that is Z power minus 1, okay, here another one adder, then what will be our another value? Denominator value is minus 1 by 2. Okay. So minus 1 by 2 means here we want to write as a positive term because opposite direction la nama draw pandrom. So 1 by 2 is that inverse. Okay. So it is the output. Now if you draw for h2 of Z, how will you draw? So it is a denominator. Sorry, it is a denominator. Now you want to draw the numerator value also. So how will you draw the numerator value? The value is 1. And here what will be the value? You want to draw the adder. And what is the another value? Another value is also 1. Okay. So the output y of Z. Now here you want to draw for h2 of Z. So h2 of Z input is x2 of Z. So here add. Next here one delay. So here you want to draw the denominator value, that is 1. Inga positive irukanaala minus 1 by 4. Okay. And next the value is, what is the next one? Numerator value 1. Here again one adder. Okay. Here one adder. And here also there will be another adder. Okay. Inga or adder varum. Okay. So here also sorry, here will be no adder because only one addition symbol is there. Or addition symbol da irukku. Or adder da varum. Okay, here also there will be only one adder. So remember that. So here there will be no adder. So now join this value. Sorry. So here there is only one adder. So நம்ம questionல பார்த்தாலே தெரியும் ஒரு value வரும்போது ஒரு adder தான் கிடைக்கும். Okay, so here output. So here what will be the value? 1 by that is the numerator value. Okay, so 2 value. Here the numerator value is 2. Okay, sorry for this. So here only one adder. So listen the diagram. Okay, so now combine these two values. Okay, combine these two diagrams. So if you combine these two values, you will get the cascade realization. So it is h1 of Z and it is h2 of Z. Okay, and another one. So here draw here it is minus 1 by 4. And next one parallel realization is h1 of Z plus h2 of Z. So here also you want to find h of Z. H of Z find பண்ணிட்டு now you want to simplify this value. Denominator மட்டும் factorize பண்ணிக்கோங்க because நம்ம partial fraction method எடுக்கணும்னா denominator தான் factorize formல இருக்கணும். So denominator factorize பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Then we will get a by Z, b by Z minus 1 by 2 and other one is c by Z plus 1 by 4. So now you can find a value, okay, by using partial fraction method. Next என்ன பண்ணணும்? B value find பண்ணணும். B is 10. Okay, substituting next C value find பண்ணணும். Substitute பண்ணி. So you got A, B and C value. So substituting A, B, C and you will get h1 of Z plus h2 of Z plus h3 of Z. So h1 of Z ஒரு constant மட்டும்தான். Now h2 of Z draw பண்ணிக்கோ. This side denominator value. Okay, denominator value is 1. Here minus nala plus 1 by 2. Z inverse. Okay, and next value is numerator la ஒரு constant term மட்டும்தான் இருக்குது numerator. So 10 மட்டும் தான் வரும். இதை draw பண்ணாம இருந்தால் ஒண்ணே இல்ல. So if you draw the direct form 2 structure, here also this side denominator, so 1, okay, and it is in opposite direction, then minus 1 by 4. Here there is only 7, okay, constant term 7, here 0. So இது எல்லாத்தையும் ஒரு adderல combine பண்ணு. Here there is one adder symbol, so combine all this value in an adder, then you will get the parallel form realization. So it is the parallel form realization structure. Can you understand?